I've already laid the acrylic, so we can get right into this acrylic nail design of, yes honey, Betty Boop. And this is going to be so cute, so keep watching. And the drawing is the only thing I tested before recording because I was making sure I had a good pencil to show up over the matte finish. Hey NailTubers! What is up, Nailification Squad? And hello, if you are new here. I'm so glad you took the time to be here. My name is Tomi, and I'm a licensed nail tech. You will see a huge variety of nail content on this channel. I upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I really hope you enjoy today's content and consider subscribing because I have so much to share with you. So yeah, the steps are, I laid the nude acrylic, then a thin layer of matte top coat to serve as a base to draw the freehand nail art. And from here, all I do is fill in the color. But from now on, I'll make certain that you see when I do the drawing too. And I don't think I did a lot of corrections. You may have already noticed where I did one on the left side of the face, and it still looks a little wet. One of the curls in the hair didn't appear right to me, so I wiped it off with alcohol, and it just takes a little time to dry, which you should wait it out because if you go in while it's even still slightly wet, it will thin out and dilute the color that you're trying to lay, and even make it spread. This is actually one of the main things that I wanted to dive into when I started this channel. I've always been into drawing since childhood, and the XXL nails get me so excited to have the canvas to create something wearable. And I just want to say to all of you, thank you so much for your comments and patience during my last recent period of work. Can you believe I had 6 days worth of comments and content to catch up on, and I'm still working on it. And also, my most recent video, you know, the one where I showed the first nail set from my nail wardrobe before YouTube? I'm so glad you liked it. There was one comment, and the reason why I'm bringing it up is because I actually should have been a little more clear, but then again, it was a very short video. So Rhonda said she liked the nail design, but not the shape. Rhonda, girl, me too. And that's really the reason I was thinking I'll have fun doing recreations of many of them, because I was in them claws back in the day. And I just think they would be even better on a newer, more popular shape. What do you think? So do you like it so far? If you do, and if you like Betty Boop, hit the like button for me so I'll know. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you the reason I did this acrylic nails design, which, by the way, is of course not polish inspired. I am so obsessed with the nails that they are putting out. Have you seen the character nails they've been doing? If you have, let me know. And what have you seen so far? What characters have you seen? But the reason I chose Betty Boop is because, and I couldn't believe this is still in such good condition. Take a look at this. Do you remember these? This is from, I want to say like the 80s. And I'm going to wear this. I bet many people are going to ask where I got it. In fact, when I do, I'll try to catch some recordings. So as much as this is inspired by Not Polish, I wanted it to have my own twist. So I decided to go across a few nails with Betty Boop's name. And you know what? Then I got stuck for an idea on the index finger and actually took a break from it for about a day or so. And eventually, I decided to do a French cuff in an array with red, pink, white, and silver. I figured this tied it in with a not polished vibe. Plus, I wanted to practice the French, which you guys haven't seen me do yet. I cured each layer separately to prevent them from blending into each other. After adding an adorable little heart, this set is finished with a final layer of matte top coat. And I just love them. What do you think? If you enjoyed this, there are many acrylic nail designs, links, and styles in my Want to Be a Nail Tech playlist for you to enjoy. I really appreciate that you chose to spend your time with me today, and I can't wait to see you again in the next one. Much love.